Hi fam, it's your girl Kinky Belisa. Welcome to my channel and to today's video. So essentially I just want to talk a little about something that I'll be using for my DIY products. And if you do follow this channel, you know that I also do DIY products a lot, and I've got a number of requests on the extras that I use for my products. And so that is why today I decided to sit down and also brief you a little about the extras that I use. So without further ado, let's head right into the video. Now, the reason why I use extracts in my videos is because these extracts are more like using the raw um, ingredients themselves. For instance, if you have hibiscus, okay, and you want to use hibiscus in your product, you have to put the leaves in water and then let it sit for the whole hibiscus stuff to come out, and then you use it, right? Now, what if you don't want to be doing this consistently every time that you want to make your products? Like, what do? That is where these extracts come in. So, these extracts are mainly concentrated versions of your normal ingredients that you use in your product. And the reason why these extracts are essential is because they can last longer, so you don't need to be reproducing your, let me say, your ingredients every time you want to make your product. I hope it makes sense, but that is essentially what these extracts are about. And so if you want to make a green tea product, and then you don't want to be having to get or do make your green tea extract every time, you have a concentrated version of your green tea extract, and that is what you use every time. And I mean, it is that easy. Now, these extracts are glycerites. What I use are glycerites. Glycerites are mixing concentrated versions of your extracts with glycerin. And when you do that, it does not expire because the glycerin helps to keep the extract intact. Yes, but the percentage is what matters. So if you're going to making your extract, you need to use about 75% or 70% of the glycerin, and then you use about 20% of the extract, and it should be very concentrated. So I have here my extract. I think you have seen them. This is the hibiscus extract, okay, and this is made up of 20% hibiscus and then 80% glycerin, and it is very potent, let me tell you. So if you check through my videos, I think I would want to link one of the DIY products that I did with this hibiscus extract, and I think I got some questions about it as well as to how I do it. You just have to get your hibiscus leaves, put it in hot water, and just make it concentrated as possible as you can. Okay, so after you get it to be this concentrated, you like let it cool down. I mean, you can use hot stuff for this, so let it cool down a bit, and then you just do your measurement. So if you want 100 ml, okay, or yeah, 100 ml of the concentration, I mean the whole concentration, you use 80 ml glycerin and then 20 ml hibiscus extract, and this is what you have. Like, as simple as that. If you want me to demo, you can just let me know in the description box. I will just do a video to show you how I make these extracts. So I have a lot of these extracts because there's sometimes that I have products that maybe I want to add this extract and that extract. So this is hibiscus extract. Hibiscus is very great for natural hair, and if you know me a lot, you know sometimes I use hibiscus in my products, and sometimes I also use it because of the color addition. So if I want to get this pinkish beautiful color, I go hibiscus. So yeah, I also have the extracts. Okay, so if you have been following this channel, you know that I have this DIY hair mist that I used hibiscus ambuno extract in it, and I found a way of making the ambuno extracts, and I just love it. I mean, it's just the same thing that I said. So 20% of the ambuno. So if you don't know how to make ambuno, I think I did a video of me getting the ambuno gel itself. So it is gel that I use. So I make 20% of the ambuno gel with 80% of glycerin, and this is what I have. You know, when I did this, I was thinking if it is going to work, because I mean, ambuno is something that's is just in the natural hair community. That's like, it's not something that someone has made an extract of. So I decided to try it, and boom, it did work. I have my ambuno extra that I've been using in my products, in my DIY products, and I love it. I wish I could. You see the mucilage. Let me just show you. So the ambulo mucilage is still there intact, and this has been there for weeks. I mean, it's even more than a month that I have this. I have been using it, and it still didn't go bad because of the glycerin that I have in there. So this is the ambulo extract, and then I also have a herbal mix extract. Okay, so this is made with herbs. So I just got all my herbs together and made a concentrate out of it. So I just added hot water to make it concentrated, and then left it for a while for it to dissolve and all that, to get my concentrated herbs. Then I did 20% of it, I think 25% of it, and then 65%, 75, yeah, I think 75% of the glycerin with the herbal hair mix. And if you smell it, you can really smell the herbs in there. Yeah, it's there. You can smell the herbs in there, and this is my herbal hair mix. So I have a lot of these glycerites that I have been using on my products. I even have turmeric here. This is turmeric. Okay, this is my turmeric extract. This is, yeah, and this is my neem extract. Extracting it from the neem leaves. You see, after shaking it, you get all the neem. I even have green tea extract extracted from the green. Oh, this is oatmeal extract, and this is the green tea extract. Okay, green tea extract. So all these are glycerites that I use in my DIY product formulation, and they really benefit me a lot. I don't have to be recreating my product, like my ingredients, all over again every time I want to do a product, unless I recreate, I mean, the ingredients. No, so these really help me to just get up and do something. Yeah, so if you want, I mean, from all the glycerides that I have shown to you, if you want me to like show you how I actually do it, maybe a dedicated video to that, just let me know in the comment section below, and which of them you want me to do. You just mention it. I have turmeric, I have hibiscus, I have green tea, I have herbal mix, I have ambuno, I have a lot. And if you have any others that you want me to try for you, maybe any different herb that I haven't mentioned here that you want me to try and do a glyceride for you, just let me know in this comment section below. I'll just find the ingredients and make it. So this is all about my glycerides. Now the glycerides, I mean, there is this other one that is the tincture that is also used, but that is made of alcohol. You know, sometimes if it's either you use a glycerin or the alcohol, and the alcohol also, I mean, is more like the same percentage, like the 80% to 20% that you use. So 80% alcohol, and then 20% of the extract. But what is this to do with the alcohol is that, you know, natural hair and alcohol, and alcohol is very drying to hair. So I feel like the glycerin is more safer for me than the alcohol to make the tincture out of it. So that is it for today's session. I hope this video was useful. Just if it was, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet a subscriber, just hit on the subscribe button down below to be subscribed to this amazing channel, as you all know. And to my notification gang, hey yeah, thanks a lot for being around and supporting the channel. I hope that I am giving you the right stuff, and if I am, just let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribing. And thanks a lot. I will definitely see you next week with another one. Until then, always stay